Devon, what time is it?
Time to party.
Always time to party. And
Time to dance.
it is time to dance. It is our...
Checkpoint.
It's our checkpoint. Exactly. So we're now going to do everything that you've learned so far with music. And this will be the pattern. Every few pieces that you learn, at the end of it, we're going to put it together and dance it with music. First, you can watch us dance it, and then go ahead and loop it or play the video again, and go ahead and make sure that you dance with us. This will help you get used to doing all the moves and get used to doing them with music as well. We're going to dance to music that's very slow, so you have plenty of time to think. You can also speed the music up if you need to after you get used to it, or even slow it down more, whatever's best for you. So, here we go. Okay guys, let's start. We're going to start with the basic step solo. Here we go, do it with us. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, couple more times, and 1, 2. Make sure you're doing it with us. 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. Turn to the left. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, basic. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, left again. 7, and 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. Basic. Now we're going to turn to the right together. 1, here we go. And 5, 6, 7, tap. And 1, 2, 3, basic. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Here we go to the right. 5, 6, 7, tap. And 1, 2, tap. And 5, 6, 7, tap. And relax. Good. We're going to dance with our partner now. Ladies will go to the right on 1. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. We're going to prep our ladies for a turn. Here we go. 1, 2, prep. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's prep them for a turn again. 1, 2, 3, and prep. 5, 6, 7, tap. 2. Let's prep them for a turn the other way. Here we go. With us. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Okay, let's do that again. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to have the guys turn with the hands low on the waist. 6, 7, and 1, 2. Guys turn. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. Basic. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Guys turn again. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Let's have guys turn the other way. 5, here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, there's no prep on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys turn again. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to lift our right hand in the air as we turn for the guys. Here we go. 2, 3, lift. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. Let's do it the other way. Lift your left hand, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn to the right with our left hand in the air. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same thing. And left hand up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Turn to the left with your right hand up. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Basic. And 1, 2, 4. Same thing. Turn to the left with your right hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can put it on our neck. Why not? So we'll turn to the right, left hand on the neck. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. Again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 3. Turn to the left with your right hand on your neck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and beautiful. So guys, that's everything you've learned so far. with music. Go ahead and repeat this video. You can do it with us many times, and you have a lot of options now already very quickly. So go ahead and freestyle with it. You can do it with this music. It's nice and slow for you, and start to get used to all those things and start to create your own patterns already. So that is your first section and your checkpoint. Practice, dance, and then we'll see you in the next section. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're delighted to bring this information to you and to the world for free. If you enjoyed this, found it useful, the greatest gift you could give to us is sharing this with your friends. Hit the like button. If you have questions, comments, put them in the comment section below. More than happy to interact with you guys on this stuff. Hit the subscribe button as well. This is your ultimate bachata training series, the only video series you will ever need for the foundations of bachata.